Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine and in good condition of Iman. Today we are going to do task of slot 3 sound English book day 1 and 2. We will read page number 5 first half. So take out your sound English book and open page number 5. We are going to read some sounds on page number 5 first half. So look at the first half of your page number 5. Which letter is this? It's I, and I says E E E. I says E E E. The sound of I is E. I says E E E. So let's read some pictures which begins with sound E. Look at the first picture. What is it? It's a scale or a ruler. And what is marked on this ruler? Inches are marked. So I-E, inch. I-E, inch. What is it? It is used to measure the length of something, anything. I-E, inch. I-E, inch. Come to the next picture. What is it? It's an igloo. Igloo is made up of ice. I-E, igloo. I-E, igloo. I-E, inch. I-E, igloo. Look at the next picture. What is it? Yes, here is a bottle of ink. Ink is used to write something. So ink begins with sound E. So let's read the names of these pictures with sounds E, inch, E, igloo, E, ink. And look at the last picture. What are these? Yes, here are some insects, and insects begins with sound E. E, insects. E, insects. E, inch. E, igloo. E, ink. E, insects. So students, let's revise it once again. We will revise first half, then we will perform an activity. Let's revise it. I says E E E. I says E E E. I says E E E. E, inch. E, igloo. E, ink. E, insects. E, insects. Look at the activity which is given below. Here are some words given below, and what we have to do, we will find letter E in these words and circle it, or you can underline it. So let's find letter I or sound E in these words. First word is in, and the first letter of this word is I, E, in. In begins with sound E, so we will circle letter I. Look at the next word. What is it? Ink, and ink begins with letter I or sound E, so we will circle first letter of ink. I, E, ink. Next word is inch. Inch begins with sound E or letter I, so we will circle first or beginning letter of this word, which is I. Next word is ill. Ill begins with sound E and letter I, so we will circle first letter of this word, which is I. I-E, ill. Last word is if, and if begins with sound E, letter I, so first letter is I, E, if. We will circle I. Students, it was your task of day 1 and day 2. After completing your task, say Alhamdulillah. Now we are going to start slot 3 sound English book task of day 3 and 4. We will read page number 5 second half. In previous lecture we have read first half. Now we are going to read second half of page number 5. So open your sound English book, page number 5. In first half we have read sound of E, I-E. Now we are going to read sound of J. Which letter is this? In second half, letter J is given, and J says J, J, J. J says J, J, J. J says J, J, J. Look at the first picture. What is it? It's jelly. Do you like jelly? We all like jelly, and it's strawberry flavor. Its color is red. So, jelly begins with sound j, j, jelly, j, jelly, j, j, jelly. Look at the next picture. What is it? It jar, j, jar. It's a jar of jam, apple jam. So, j, jar, jar begins with j, j, jelly, j, jar. Look at the next picture. What is it? It's a jug. J, jug. Jug begins with sound j, j, jug, j, jelly, j, jar, j, jug. Come to the next picture. What is it? It's a jigsaw. Jigsaw puzzle. Do you like to play jigsaw puzzle? So jigsaw begins with sound j, j, jigsaw. Look at the next picture. What is it? It's a jeep. What is the color of jeep? Yes, it's of red color. So jeep begins with sound j, j, jeep, j, jeep. Come to the next picture. What is it? Here is a tin of jam, and jam begins with sound j, j, jeep, j, jam, j, jam. What is it? J, jam. Look at the next picture. What is it? Here is a jail, and who is in the jail? Prisoners or criminals. So the people who are not good or who commit a crime, they are kept in jail. Criminals are kept in jail. So j, jail. Jail begins with sound j, j, jail. Let's revise it once again. J says, yes, what does J says? Yes, read with me. J, 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 j. J says j, 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 jam, sorry, j, jelly, j, jar, j, jug, j, jigsaw, j, jeep, j, jam, j, jail, j, jelly, j, jar, j, jug, j, jigsaw, j, jeep, j, jam, j, jail. So revise it 2 or 3 more times at your homes, and after revising we will perform an activity. Look at the activity which is given below. Find the letter J. What we have to find? Letter J and sound J. Some words are given and we will find letter J in these words. Look at the first word. It's jug. J, jug, and it begins with letter J. So we will circle first letter J. J, j, jug. Come to the next word. What is it? Jump. And jump begins with letter J. Sound j, j, jump. So circle letter J. Now let's find J in next word. It's jeep, and jeep begins with letter J and sound j, j, jeep. So we will circle J. Come to the next word. Jam. Jam begins with sound j and letter J. So first letter is J. We will circle letter J. Sound j, j, jam. And last word is jar. Jar begins with sound j and letter J. So let's find letter J and circle it. Yes, first letter is J. We will circle letter J. So students, it was your activity and task of day 3 and 4. Revise it at your home, and after revision you will say Alhamdulillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, now we are going to start Sound English book slot 3, task of day 5. Today we will revise complete page number 5. We are going to revise page number 5. So open your Sound English book, page number 5. So some sounds are given on this page. Look at the first letter and its sound. We will revise. It's I, and I says, yes, you will tell me what does it says. Yes, drill with me. I says E E E. I says E E E. E inch. E igloo. E ink. E insects. Repeat it. E inch. E igloo. E insects. E ink. And next sound is J. J. J says J J J. J says J J J. So let's read J. Jelly. J. Jar. J. Jug. J. Jigsaw. J. Jeep. J. Jam. And J. Jail. So students, it was your task revision of page number 5. Revise it one or two more times at your homes, and after completing your work you must say Alhamdulillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, now we are going to start task of Sound English book slot 3, day 6 and 7. We will read page number 6, first half. In these 2 days, we will read page number 6, first half. Open your Sound English book, page number 6. So let's start. Look at the first letter. What is it? It's K, and K says K, K, K. What is the sound of K? K. K says K, 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 K. So look at the first picture. What is it? Who is he? Here is a picture of king, and king begins with sound K. K, king. K, king. K, king. Look at the next picture. What is it? It's a kitten, baby of cat. Cat के baby को क्या कहते हैं? Kitten. So here is a kitten. K, kitten. K, king. K, kitten. Next picture is of a kite, and kite begins with sound K. K, kite. K, kite. K, king. K, kitten. K, kite. And next picture is of a key. Key begins with sound K, and key is used to open the lock, to unlock the lock. So key begins with sound K. K, key. And last picture is of cattle. What is it? It's a cattle, and cattle begins with sound K. K, cattle. K, cattle. K, king. K, kitten. K, kite. K, key. K, cattle. So let's repeat it once again. K. K says K. K, K, K. K, king. K, kitten. K, kite. K, key. K, cattle. Now you will perform an activity. Look at the activity which is given below. Your activity is find the letter K in these words. Some words are given and you will find letter K or sound K. So look at the first word. What is it? It's key, and key begins with sound K, letter K. So we will find letter K. Yes, the first letter is K. So circle K, key. K, K, K. K is the first letter of key. Next word is kitten, and kitten begins with sound K and letter K. So circle letter K. K, kitten. Look at the next word. What is it? King, and king begins with letter K and sound K. So let's find letter K. K, king. Next word is kite. So we will circle letter K, which is the first letter of this word. Last word is kill. Kill begins with sound K and first letter is K. So you will circle first letter, which is K. So students, it was your activity. After completing your work, you will say Alhamdulillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are going to start Task of Sound English book, slot 3, day 8 and 9. We will read page number 6, second half. So open your Sound English book and page number 6. In previous lectures we have read first half. Now we are going to read second half of page number 6. So which letter is this? Look at the letter L, and L says L, L, L. L says L, L, L. L says L, L, L. Sound of L is L. So look at the first picture. What is it? Yes, here is a picture of lantern. What is it? Lantern. And lantern begins with sound L, L, lantern, L, lantern. Drill with me. L, lantern. Look at the next picture. What is it? Here is a letter. Letter begins with sound L, L, letter, L, letter, L, letter. Next picture is of ladder. What is it? Ladder. सीढ़ी को बोलते हैं आप ladder. L, L, ladder, L, ladder. And what is on the ladder? Here is a leg. Picture of a leg. L, leg, L, ladder, L, leg. Come to the next picture. What is it? Here is a leaf. L, leaf, L, leaf, L, leaf. Next picture is of a lock, and lock begins with sound L, L, lock, L, lock. And here is a log, piece of log, or piece of wood is called log, L, log. Let's repeat it once again. L, lantern, L, letter, L, ladder, L, leg, L, leaf, L, lock, L, log. So students, you will revise it 2 or 3 times at your homes, and after revising you will perform an activity. Here is an activity given below. Find the letter L in these words. Some words are given and we will find letter L. So let's begin with first word. First word is log, and log begins with sound L, L, log. First letter is L. We will circle letter L, L, log. Come to the next word. What is it? Letter. Next word is letter. So let's find letter L in word letter. Yes, first letter is L. So letter begins with sound L, letter, L, letter. First letter is L. We will circle letter L. Come to the next word. It's lock. Lock begins with sound L, L, lock, L, lock. And first letter is L. So we will circle letter L, L, lock. Next word is leg. Leg begins with sound L, L, leg, L, leg. And first letter is L. We will circle letter L, L, leg. Last word is leaf, and leaf begins with sound L, sound L, and letter L, L, leaf, L, leaf. First letter is L, so we will circle letter L, L, leaf. So students, it was your task of day 8 and 9. After completing your task, you will say Alhamdulillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are going to start Task of Sound English book, slot 3, day 10, and we are going to revise page number 6. Today we will revise complete page number 6. So open your Sound English book, page number 6. First sound is K. Letter is K and sound is K. K. K says K, K, K. K says k. K king, k kitten, k kite, k key, k cattle. Let's revise it. K king, k kitten, k kite, k key, k cattle. Next sound is L. L. L says L. L says L. Lantern, L ladder, L ladder, L leg, L leaf, L lock, L log. Students, drill with me. L lantern, L ladder, L ladder, L leg, L leaf, L lock, L log. Students, revise it 2 or 3 more times, and after completing your work you will say Alhamdulillah. Allah Hafiz students.